In this video, we'll walk through creating your first product in Easy Digital Downloads. Your products are the heart of your store, so we'll cover everything from adding a download and setting a price to uploading your files and publishing it live. Easy Digital Downloads calls products downloads. To add one, go to Downloads, then Add Download. Give it a name, then add a product description below. This can be a single sentence or a full page with images. Below the editor, in the Download Details box, open the Details tab. Select your product type from the drop-down menu. Single product works for most stores. Then enter your price. If you want to offer more than one price option, toggle on Create Price Variations for this download. Next, go to the Files tab and click the link icon to upload your file. Give it a file name. That's what customers see on their receipt. Always upload through this tab instead of the media library, so your files stay protected. If you have more than one file, click Add New File to add a new one. Back in the sidebar, click Set Download Image to add a featured image for your product. This is what customers see on your store and checkout pages. When you're ready, save and preview your download to see how it looks, then click Publish. You'll see a quick checklist for visibility and publish date. Public and immediately work for most stores, or you can schedule it for later. Click Publish again to confirm, and your product is live. And that's it. Your first product is live and ready to sell. Next up, we'll walk through connecting a payment gateway so you can start accepting orders. Find the full video and written guide, along with every other step, at easydigitaldownloads.com/start.